Hey guys, I'm Theodore Brockman. I'm a University of Alberta student working on the review board project, and today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the changes I've made to the Diff viewer and trying to make it a little bit friendlier on mobile. So on the left side we have the previous version, and on the right side we have my modifications. On the left side you can kind of see that since we're still using a side-by-side rendering of diffs, that things are kind of getting cut off the screen. You can't really see too much, there's not a whole lot of room, and it would be pretty hard to actually do any sort of code review on a mobile device. So my first priority in sort of fixing things was to just start rendering a top-down version and basically coalescing both sides into one column. And this is just kind of what that looks like. You have your original line numbers on the left, and then you have the new line numbers on the right. Everything works relatively similar to how it used to. You still click left here to make a comment, which in the previous version, the box is kind of hidden on both sides. Didn't really work that well. You couldn't actually post anything if you wanted to. On the right side, you can still expand out the lines like you would normally. You click here if you want to download the new version of the file. This is something that I was working on earlier. I was trying to have summary statistics of the diff over all your changes, but looking more into the code, I realized that this is only for a single page of a diff, so these statistics aren't really accurate, but I still think it looks nice, and it was just something that I was working on to get more familiar with the code base. You can still click on any of these and it'll take you to your files. And that's pretty much it. Going forward, just kind of cleaning things up a little bit more, trying to make a little bit more room. I still have to make some changes to how modifications show. I have to put the original line or the original chunk on top of the modified chunk, just so you can kind of see what was exactly changed. But additions are already working the way they should, and overall I think things look pretty nice. Obviously I'm showing it in Firefox right now, but I've been checking it out on my phone too, and it looks pretty good, and it works. So I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty much everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.